What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a little POV drive with the exhaust. I haven't done one of these for you guys with the new setup. Also, I got to test out the new Meyer strut bar. Damage today isn't too bad, 45 bucks. Don't mind, the car is a little dirty right now. We're going to be washing it right before this weekend because we got some big stuff coming up. But guys, look at the strut bar. And this is a test kit. This isn't even their final kit. They just put this together real quick so I could test it out, make sure it doesn't break, it holds on the pressure, etc. But look how beautiful that looks. And they're also going to be epoxying it to give it that gloss. And the whole strut bar is like 3 pounds, I think, compared to the OEM. The OEM, I think just one of the bars is like 7 pounds or something like that. I gotta weigh it because I have it at home. Tell me that doesn't look beautiful. I think they're also gonna be doing different colored ends, like black, red, blue, raw finish as well. I'm going to be testing out the strut bars and also showing you guys what it sounds like with a POV drive with this exhaust. If you guys watch my previous videos, I have the IRL V2 Catback with their 400 cell catted downpipes. I've driven about 1,200 miles so far and it has not given me a check engine light. So that's a super good sign. I am actually receiving their 4-inch mid pipe in a few days. So we're gonna be throwing that on the car and testing out which one sounds better, whether it's their 3.5 setup or their 4-inch with the 400 catted downpipes. Make sure it's on. Make sure I don't drive for no reason. Yes, sir. So let's see what kind of noises we get. Guys, and if you hear some crazy noises, I got this little pump right here for my arm. It's been a journey, guys, but let's go ahead and have some fun. Let's turn this on and let's go for a drive. I had the car a little warmed up, so probably didn't get too much of a cold start. Let's get to it. Let's see, let's go this way maybe. Some hard turns and unfortunately I gotta take some hard turns, but unfortunately Florida doesn't have a lot of roads. And this is right now valves open, Sport Plus, so give you guys a little pull here. She's screaming. I try to do like a little sunset drive, but with the sunset comes traffic. Let's see what we can do. transmission. Let's check it out. All right, we're good, we're good. You can definitely hear the turbo spool a little bit too. I should actually close the valves and you guys can hear valves closed. There we go, with comfort. Comfort and valves closed definitely sounds good. It's definitely a little louder than stock. It's because of the downpipes, obviously. Sounds really clean, and I'll do a little bit of a pull here so you guys can hear it. If you guys didn't know, I have the IRL valve controller. You turn it off here, turn it on here. You guys can hear the difference. If you have the OEM axle back, you could get this valve controller and it'll work with that too. That's where I had it first, and then I transferred it over to this axle back. Really happy with this, but like I said earlier, they're gonna be sending me their 4-inch mid-pipe. So I'm very curious to see which setup sounds better. And then I think after that, I'm not really gonna make any more modifications to the exhaust. Sounds really good, but you can tell it's tamed. On-ramp is back. Oh, it's still closed. There we go. Want some space. Right now I'm at 25, almost 3,000 RPM. Definitely don't trust the Tahoes. Now we could go back to comfort so you guys can hear it. And then I'm gonna close the valves as well. There we go. I think it's close. With my comfort setting, when I have M1 and M2 off, I do have auto rev match because I'm never using comfort, to be honest. So I'm gonna do some downshifts and maybe a little pull so you guys can hear that as well. Gonna have to refill the gas very soon. Jeez. Comment below what you guys think so far of the exhaust. It is a no-brainer. The volume is kind of compromising the quality of the sound, the volume of the exhaust. So I can't really get the realistic sound of the exhaust. I gotta play with the mic settings. So I'm very excited to hear what the 4-inch sounds like for sure. But let's go back to valves open. Things coming for the car, so you guys definitely have to stay tuned. I got a lot, bro. I'm gonna stop talking because I'm gonna give it away. I'm definitely gonna be coming out with something different. Comment below if you think you know what it is for sure though. And I said 3 things. Obviously I mentioned the mid pipe already. I kind of gave that away. It's definitely gonna change up the look of the car. My manual boys out there, when you guys are driving and you're shifting like over a bump, does that make you kind of press the gas a little bit and make the car jerk? If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Like, my shifts are not crusty. It's just whenever I'm shifting over bumps, it makes me kind of press the gas. And I do have Taylor throttle control, so my pedal is super sensitive right now. Let me know, comment below if you guys experience the same thing. Pick up the camera once I find that though. I finally got my suspension dialed too. I think right now it's sitting perfect, so when I get my next mod, it's definitely gonna look better. That's another hint as to what's coming. Look how good she's looking, guys. Damn. Let's give you guys some standing revs. that is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about this exhaust. Of course, you can use my code if you want to get this. I think this is one of the best, if not the best setup to go with, and maybe until I get the 4-inch mid pipe from IRL in the next few days. I think it's gonna be maybe a week or two. I gotta see if I get better with this arm before I do that update video. Make sure you come out to our car meet that we're hosting at Papamigos in Coconut Creek. I'll drop the flyer here again. Want to make sure I see you guys there. Come out with your best builds. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you drop a like, comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.